Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Ads. Whether you're managing ad campaigns for your business or just getting started with online advertising, knowing how to access your Google Ads account is the essential first step. Let's walk through this simple process together. First, open a browser tab and navigate to ads.google.com. This is the official Google Ads homepage where you'll manage all your advertising campaigns. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean interface designed to help you get started with your advertising journey. From here, look towards the top right part of your screen where you'll see the Sign In button. It's usually displayed prominently, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a login menu to appear, which is where you'll enter your credentials to access your account. Now, in the login menu that appears, you'll need to enter your Gmail username. This is the email address associated with your Google Ads account. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos or errors. After entering your username, you'll be prompted to enter your password as well. This is the same password you use for your Gmail account, as Google Ads is integrated with your Google account ecosystem. Once you've entered both your Gmail username and password, click to proceed. The system will verify your credentials, which may take just a moment. After successful verification, you'll be directed straight to the Google Ads dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for creating, managing, and monitoring all your advertising campaigns across Google's network. The dashboard gives you access to all the tools you need to run effective ad campaigns, from setting budgets to targeting specific audiences. You'll be able to view performance metrics, adjust your campaigns, and track your advertising spend all from this central location. And that's it. You're now signed into Google Ads and ready to start managing your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.